Welcome to Track 3D. Today we will guide on creating new projects and project onboarding. Let's walk through the steps together. First, log into your account. On the top right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the New Project button. Click it to get started. After clicking New Project, you'll be presented with a page to fill in the project details. Carefully fill out all the requested information on this page. Now let's move on to specifying your project's location. The page features a map view to simplify this process, typing the project address in the search bar. The system will suggest possible addresses based on your input. Selecting the correct one will automatically populate the address fields. Once you've entered all the required information, click Create Project. This will submit your project for review and approval by the business team. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to us at support@track3d.ai. Thank you for using Track 3D.